Bellflower Connect is a citywide network. It's a free network that's available to all the residents, businesses, and visitors of the City of Bellflower. If you look back at what happened during COVID-19, a lot of people, they were locked at home and they couldn't access the internet because they don't have a good Wi-Fi. And that's what's called a digital divide. People who are well off, they can access the internet easily, but those who cannot afford it had difficulty.
The last 10 years, ICC networking is really focused on how do we bridge the digital divide. That includes sort of 3 stages. One is connectivity, the other is community engagement, and the third is changing the business model of how we ensure connectivity to the least fortunate in our community.